Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will tell about the worst flood incident that happened to Turkey. Several provinces in northern Turkey were hit by floods and landslides on Monday over a new wave of heavy rainfall that started late Sunday. Turkey's Disaster and Emergency Management Presidency issued the highest meteorological emergency alert for weather-related incidents for Zonguldak, Bartin, Kastamonu, Karabakh and Sinop provinces of the Black Sea region. Streams overflowed in many places due to the downpour and collapsed bridges in Kastamonu province. Heavy rainfall swept away several cars in Bartin province, flooded basements and trapped people inside their houses and their cars. Nearly 30 houses were evacuated in the Gökçebey district of Zonguldak province, and over 100 people were moved to the safe zone while homes and businesses were flooded. There were no casualties or missing people, said Turkish Interior Minister Süleyman Soylu. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.